Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? Just trying to set up the camera good. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Happy Vlogoween today for the 14th day. 14th day. It is not associated with a Halloween theme, but it's still Vlogoween. Right, so I got the October's BoxyCharm. Love, love, love. So I am loving this. So let's see what's inside. We all have the subscriptions on each one of these. But let's dig in. Why don't we? So first thing right off the bat, I'm seeing a lip liner pencil in red. How cool is that? So I don't usually use red that much, but this could have came in handy this past weekend. Then I got a cool, beautiful nude, like, you know, nudish color lip gloss. I love these colors. Very creamy. Yum, 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 yum. Love it. Let's see. And what is this? It is Pretty Fitter. Oh, classy skin balm. I love the packaging. Ooh, classy. Oh, cute. So let's see what this is. It's like a skin balm. Ooh. Ooh, it is, oh, it's nice. It's fragrant. Ooh, I like that. I'm gonna have to read the directions on that. Very smooth. And it has a little fragrance to it. I just love this container. Awesome, look at how pretty. I don't have my glasses on. It's skin balm. Guess you put it on right after the shower and whatnot. I love that. Love, love, love. And we got eye primer. Anti-fatigue under eye primer. So we got eye primer. I definitely need under eye primer. Because you could tell I'm tired. Ooh, what? This color is blue. Look at that. Very creamy. And you put it on. It's supposed to maybe make your eyes look less fatigued. Interesting. I like that. I definitely need this. Need it. I'll read what it is. And then the last thing is baked brows. Baked brows. So let's see what this is all about. Love the packaging on these. And these are all full size. Look at this. Oh my God. All these different colors of eyebrows. Like I have light eyebrows and you know, that would be perfect. Oh wow. Look at that would be perfect for my skin tone. Then they have like the next color. I love this. Really, really love it. Really like this. And with this box, I really love that you get 5 full-size products. So I'll read each one of them. And it's only $20 for this. Plus, yeah, $20. That's it. And you can't go wrong. I mean, for all these awesome products. I mean, one of these could be like $20 easy. So let's go and read this. All right, the value of 5 beauty products is over $125 for only $25 per month. Okay, so it's $25 per month, apparently. I thought it was less than that for some reason. Customization. Now Oh, you can customize and choice. Okay. They're just telling you about what, you know, I don't want to know that. I want to know what's in the box. Okay. Eyeshadow palette right there pays for this BoxyCharm. $32. Then the skin balm is $32. So let's write this down. I don't have my calculator on me, but 32, 32. Okay, 66 right off the bat. Lip plumping gloss, $26. What the heck? So 96 right there. Under eye primer, $32. 128. And the lip liner is, okay, the lip liner pencil's $5. $133 in this box this month. $133 for this month. What the heck? That is awesome. $133. And you know what? I have to tell you, BoxyCharm came through. When last month I did the September's box, I knew I had a feeling I was missing a couple of products, but one of my fans, one of my subscribers mentioned it to me that I was missing some items that I should email them right away. And I did. And they instantly, the same day, and they said they're going to fix the problem right now. They're going to send me either another box or I think the products. I don't know which, because it was kind of like they said, well, we'll fix it for you. So I don't know. I'll have to stay tuned and let you all know what they send me. Either the couple of products I'm missing, or maybe they'll send me the whole box again. I don't know. But BoxyCharm is very, very great. I have to tell you, with their customer service. So I can't say it enough, because I thought by messaging way after September that I was missing a couple of products, that they will say, oh, you know, it's too late or whatever. No, they said they're going to fix the problem. They said, I'm so sorry. They apologized. It was awesome. Thank you, BoxyCharm. Thank you for reaching out very fast and trying to fix the problem. I love that. Great customer service. I have to say that. And I hope you like the October's box. Like I said, I thought it was $20. It's $25. It's awesome. You get full-size products. I mean, just the eyebrow palette is like $32. That's crazy. So you may as well get a whole bunch of these, and you can get a whole bunch of these, stockpile them up, and individually make little presents for people for their Christmas or whatever. So it's well worth the money to get a few products, and then you could stockpile them up and then give them out for presents too. You could do that. But with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not a Halloween one, but I might try to make an extra video this week from a Halloween themed, so you can get the Halloween themed. I love doing the Halloween theme. I love it, love it, love it. I have so much fun. So with that said, I love you all. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for being here with me. And I just want to say have a great night, because while I'm filming this, it's after my work. It's at nighttime. Well, not night, but it's evening. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit that like button. It shows YouTube I'm doing a good job. Comment. I want to hear all your comments. I really do look out for comments. And I like to reply. I like to interact with you all. I just love to hear what you have to say, and that's it. And hit the notification bell so you know when I upload and when I put out things. And I'm trying to do it on a daily. I'm going to try to keep the streak going even after Vlogoween, because I know that you all love it. And with that said, I love you all, and bye-bye. Good night.